Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix EA Sports FC24 is having commentary is not working issue which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to update the game. That is what we have to do. So right now, as you can see, the game is up to date, so it is fine for me. So if you're getting the update, just update it. Also you can try for updating, so just click over here, right click, and we have to go to the properties. Now go for updates. Make sure this particular one, you have to select this one, and you have to set this to always keep this game updated. We are having three options: always keep this game update, only update this game when I launch it, high priority. So keep this to always keep this game updated. Once afterwards, update it, or if you're getting any update, just update your game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to restart the Steam. So closing the Steam is not actually the restart. In order to do a restart, just go over here in the Steam, go for exit. Once afterwards, you have to launch the Steam once again. It will take a bit of time because it has to get loaded up, and once afterwards, try launch the game. Next one is all about we have to change the language. So let me go over here, right click, and we have to go to the properties. Go over here, go to the language. So as you can see, it is on English. So first thing what I need to do is I need to change this to either to Dutch or something. Close this, update. So change your language from default to any language, then update your game. After the update is successfully done, just right click once again, go to the properties, change the language back to your default language, that is English. So once afterwards, try launch the game. I don't know how this is related to this particular one, but this did work out for many users as I found this step from the Reddit, even in the community forum, so you can try this out. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just go over here in the game, right click, and we have to go manage uninstall the game. For reinstalling it back, you have to keep in mind when you reinstall the game. Right now I have installed the game on local disk D. So if I'm uninstalling the game, I have to install it back on either C or E. I should not be installing it back on D. That is what we have to do. Last and the least one is all about we have to verify integrity of game file. For this, we just need to go over here in the game, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go for installed file, and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this will cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So hence it is going to take a bit of time because we are in the game is around 41.13 GB, so I'm not going to waste time. So once it reaches 100%, you'll be getting the message its all files are successfully validated. Try launch the game and it will be working fine. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.